What is up, YouTube? This is Zach at Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys aren't subscribed to the channel already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today, I am out here at the Tula Expo in Dallas, Texas, and I saw a really unique product that I know we've had a lot of requests for, so I wanted to take you guys on a tour through this booth and show this product off. We are getting set up as a dealer as well, so if you guys would like to purchase this product, make sure to reach out and show your support. This is really cool, and it'll just take your TV experience, the aesthetic appearance to the next level. I'm gonna be bringing Tim on and he's gonna give you guys a lowdown. Let's go! All right, over to you, Tim.
Hi everybody, I'm Tim DeFalco with FrameMy TV. We have our full line of 16 styles that fits exclusively for Samsung's Frame TV.
Yeah, so this is for all you guys out there that maybe don't like just the basic look of the frame, because the one that comes with it, let's be honest, it's not super decorative. So you can see these are very high quality, next level finishes for your Frame TV. And I just thought that it was really unique and something that I know a lot of you guys are looking for. Like even this, you can go super modern all the way down to extremely traditional. And we're gonna take you into the Experience Center, which I made a separate video on as well, and show you it in action. But this is kind of an example right here as well. You wanna go over the pricing and options?
Yeah, so we go from 32 inch all the way up to 75. Starts at about $299 retail. Goes up to $849 on 75 inch. And we had, again, 16 different styles from contemporary to modern.
Well, I did want to take you guys over to the Experience Center where they actually have it on a TV mounted on the wall and show it to you guys. Now, if you aren't subscribed to the channel already, make sure you subscribe down below because I walk you through this entire event. And we're also going to be going to CES, CEDIA, and the Rocky Mountain Audio Show per usual. Getting back to things, guys. So in this room right here, you can see how this really just elevates the Samsung Frame experience, right? You guys have seen the old one, which if you type it into our YouTube channel, you'll see the standard frame options that come with it. It's like, I think 4 different color options, and it's thin bezel, which is cool, but this is next level. And the pricing is actually very reasonable and really top quality. We'll take you back to the booth in just a minute and show you how easy it is to actually assemble and how to install it. Actually, could you show me on here how it pops off? This is what enticed me by the product, is just how simple it is, because we have a lot of guys that DIY it, and I've seen people like rigging frames and stuff on YouTube themselves and getting the job done, but this is for somebody that wants this look but doesn't want to have to, like, you know, get really crazy with it. This is a professional solution. See, like these tabs here, how it just like snaps right into place? It makes it to where it's just super easy. Oh, he's taking it off. See, we got the hooks up there, and then this little button right here that just snaps it right into place, and we'll put it right back on. And you just pull these little rings down here and it snaps right into place. That is super cool. Very clean. Another cool thing with this manufacturer, guys, is they run their own YouTube channel, Deco TV Frames, and they show you in some of their videos how to actually put these together. But look at how simple it is. Just fits together like that. And then you saw how it just snaps right on, hangs on the top and snaps right into the bottom. I mean, brilliant. Couldn't get any easier. All right, guys, well, that is a wrap on what I think is a great solution for adding some style to your TV. If you guys are looking for something like this, make sure to reach out and show your support. We ship throughout the entire nation and would love the opportunity to earn your business. All right, guys, that's all I got for you. If you aren't a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Till next time, this is Zach, Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.